whenever I do a rendering job, I always go around and cut all my angle beads all the way around. Just makes it quicker and easier, and you're not putting one tool down to pick another tool up. So I always find that if I do all my cuts, I can put my tin snips down and then pick my glue up and my level and just go around and just stick them all on. Sometimes I'll glue them or nail them. It just depends on the fixing type, the background that I'm working with. Like I say, I always make sure my bell cast beads are on bottom first. Rising stock beads, you know, and expansion joints, I'll put them on before I start my angle beads. Sometimes if I'm doing my angle beads around window reveals, now and again you might not have an option to put an angle bead on, so you have to put a stock bead up. But on this type of property I don't need to do that. So that's that. I hope you enjoy watching the video. Thank you. So when you put your stock beads on, or your bell cast beads on bottom, you want to put your angle beads on all angles all the way around. So the way I do it is the one no nails. Just put dabs over it all the way down your angle, so it covers the internal part and the external part, if you can see that on camera. And you want to make these sort of like bulging out a little bit, so it gets a good bond all the way down. Keep them about 250mm apart to a foot apart, and just generally just go around and put your dabs on. So when you put your dabs on, put your bead on, so that your dabs are touching the back of the bead inside. Right, and then if you can see that, you put your level on, and just make sure the level, so that you know. On.